Nathan has just found a good price for a new car for the channel, or for him. Thought it'd be good to go pick it up and record at the same time, so he's just grabbing some money and the batteries in the car, and we're gonna head out there. Almighty VL. It's actually quite clean inside. We'll get more footage of it when we get it back home. But she's got 350 thou on the clock. Interior is actually pretty clean. Dome light works. Fired straight up. That one's not, that one is. Is that a miss? Bit of a noise in the engine. Does sound like it's missing a little bit. Low oil keeps flashing a little bit. Even though it was over full when you checked it.
I think maybe the switch might be a bit funny after so many years, or it could just be galled up with oil in it. Will we make it back?
Yeah, will we make it back?
No fuel, it's dead.
It's dead. Well, that didn't last long. What's the plan? We might go back in and get some more fuel. On a bit of a mission back in town. At least we got aircon. That's a plus. We have acquired the package. Well, unfortunately we won't be home today with the VL, so I guess the video will cut to when we see it next. Hello guys, I think it's been maybe 4 or 5 weeks since we went and picked up the VL. My brother has finally arrived with a car trailer to take it to Dolby, a friend's place, so we can work on it a bit more since he's over that way a fair bit now. Got a new camera set up, finally got a GoPro, which is good, and a little stand I got with it so I can flip it around and have a little look wherever. Yeah, anyway, I think we'll get back into it. We're just gonna go load it up onto the trailer, do a bit more of a walk around. Does it run properly now, Nathan?
Hey?
Does it run properly now?
Yeah, it runs properly now. It was the fuel pump line that goes between the pump and the hanger itself had completely disintegrated and actually wasn't pumping fuel from the pump through the hanger, so I fixed that and it runs now. Doesn't miss a beat.
That's good, at least we can get out the driveway this time. Can I grab something, you reckon? As much as I can with one hand. Here you go, big ol'. Got a hot dog put in at work the other day. Tell us about it. 3.8 litre Ecotec.
No, it's 3.8 litre Buick, mate. That's what's supposed to be.
Sorry. It's actually in still alright condition. We've got the father figure down for a look. Diesel soot gets the mutt. Yeah, runs mean. Give us a lip. Do a big single peg. Go, go, go. It's just gonna touch. Yep, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. Yeah, you good? One of those. Ooh. Gonna get a pet goldfish.
Yeah, mate.
What else do you want to tell the watchers about it before it gets sent off to Dolby?
Well, taking it over to Dolby to the workshop, and I got a VRS head gasket kit. I got a Gates timing belt, water pump kit, ARP head studs, and a full front and rear bush kit for it. So it's going over to get some love.
That's not, yeah.
And
he will do his best to record. I've been hounding him to try and record everything. See how it goes. No, but it sounds nice. Fuck, I love Ecotex. Oh, we picked up a VL Commodore. What are your thoughts? What do you think Nathan should do with it? What do you want to do with it? You want to...
well, I was thinking of tap and dyeing this block so I could put a turbo on it, or putting the block out of my other VL in this because it is a turbo block. But I did want to keep the original block with the car because it's technically I'm the second owner of it. So I want to keep it as original as I can. So
we had a bloke in the comments on one of the last videos going, how do you pick up such cheap scores? Right time, right place, I guess.
Yeah, and I guess it helped that I kind of knew the fella a little bit. But,
what was it? $1 grand? 1,100 bucks?
1,200.
1,200 bucks?
$1,200.
We're running, driving VL Commodore that has minimal rust, other than usual. Has a couple places, but it's actually good.
2.5 for it originally.
Still got clear coat on it. How's that? It's crazy.
It's about as original as you can get.
Other than the ROH wheels.
Yeah, well, apart from those, it's about as original and as clean as you can get for about the money I paid for it.
And it runs.
And it runs.
And it runs.
So, yeah, I'll be recording. Yeah, fucking both sides of the window are a bit gone. I got to pull dash out.
Typical VL rust though, isn't it?
Yeah, front windows, rear window, boot seal, and
Please by the sun.
Normally the spare wheel well as well is normally rusted out in. This one's pretty good, just the boot floor's a bit pitted at the moment.
Typical VL as well.
You may see when Ryan gets the videos off my phone from when I was cleaning up the boot. But other than that, there's just a couple little trim bits for the boot and the grill for the front that's missing, and other than that, it's
a couple little bits and pieces.
Fairly well all there. It's completely original. Couldn't ask for much more with what I paid for it.
I think he's happy.
Very much so.
Oh, we've got a sick cunt Barra coming along. I reckon this will beat it.
50th anniversary. It's got nothing on this still.
Righto guys, that's it for this video. Took a bit long to get up, but COVID. COVID. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and me and Nathan will see you in the next one.
Cheers guys.